Assalamu alaikum everyone! So today we are going to recreate some DIY related to Nazu art videos. As we all know that in her videos she uses white cement wall putty a lot. So I also took out my wall putty today. So first of all, we will put a sheet below that will not damage our table. So here I will use the painting mat made by my own hands. So first of all, we will mix the wall putty with water and make thick paste. She said in her video that how we make a Play-Doh from wall putty. So according to her procedure, if we add a little glue to our wall putty mixture, then we will get a Play-Doh. But here I have made a mistake. I poured a little more water here, that's why it is a little bit sticky, due to which we did not get a right texture. So here I am adding some more powder to make it a little bit hard. Mix, mix, and mix. The more you mixed it, the better you will get texture. But I have not told you yet what I am making. So I am making a brush holder and a painting palette with wall putty. So where I am trying to giving a brush holder shape with the help of marker. So where I am making 4 lines so that I can put more brushes when I will doing painting. Look how dirty my hands are. Let's clean it. But we also clean our mat. I poured some water and clean it with the help of towel. Look how easily it is cleaned. If you want to know how I made this painting mat, I have given link in the description box. Now it's time to make a painting palette. I am adding some water in wall putty powder and mixed it well. Mix, mix, and mix. Now I poured wall putty mixture in my mat. Now I am adding some glue. Again, mix, mix, and mix. I like it, so satisfying. As long as I mixed it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I think making something out of a wall pudding makes that even better to play with it. Now our Play-Doh is ready to shape it into painting palette. Now it's the most fun and the interesting part. Giving shape to our painting palette. I am creating 6 small holes and 1 large hole for mixing our paints. I am also making a line to hold my brush during painting. This DIY project is perfect for artists on a budget or those. The 6 small holes will be perfect for holding my paints. And the large hole will be great for mixing colors. Looks our painting palette structure is about to ready. Now we can leave it to dry. Again, my hands are dirty, but don't worry, it will be easily removed. So now it's day 2. So let's check it out if our painting palette and brush holder is done or not. See that it is completely dry. So it's time to paint our brush holder. As Natsia said in her video that we can use a lot of water before coloring anything made up of wall putty. So here I add a lot of water in white color and paint it as a base coat. I like paint this brush holder. Our base coat is complete. Let's leave it to dry. And let's move on to our painting palette. I also apply white coat in our painting palette. And it's done. Now it's time to give some unique design to a brush holder and painting palette. I took red color and add water in it as wall putty absorb a lot of water. I am trying to give this brush holder into cake design. Let's see if I done it or not. Here I am mixing small amount of red color into a white base coat to get pink color. Here I am trying to make creamy texture with pink and white color so that we can get a creamy design. Look, our base is ready. Now it's time to add some sprinkles in cake designs. I took my purple, blue, and yellow paint color. To add some extra flair, I'll be sprinkling some purple, blue, and yellow sprinkles onto my brush holder and painting palette. This will give it a fun and playful touch. Look here, yellow color is not too much and enhanced, so I cannot use it in a brush holder as the base color of brush holder is darker. You must use dark shades for making sprinkles if your base color is dark. Our sprinkles is done, so let's put colors back on their place. Look how cute they are looking. We should leave them to dry before applying varnish. As long as brush holder and painting palette dry, we should clean our painting mat. Look how easily it is cleaned. Now let's open the varnish. I used a kitchen knife to open it. I only have this varnish. If you have other water-mixed varnish, you can use that. Now let's apply varnish in our brush holder. Varnish helps to protect my brush holder and painting palette from damage. This will also give them a beautiful, glossy finish. This varnish takes a long time to dry, other than water-mixed varnish. Now let's apply varnish coat to our painting palette. For painting palette, I took small brush so that I can easily apply varnish in the holes. Look how glossy they become as I applied varnish. Now let's leave them to dry before we test them. Yay, our brush holder and painting palette is completely dried. I'm thrilled to show you how functional they are. I'll take some paint and mix it on the palette. As you can see, the paint glides smoothly across the surface, making it easy to mix and blend colors. As you can see, we can easily remove color from the palette. And brush holder can easily hold my brush. The holder keeps my brushes organized and within reach. And I'm so glad I took the time to create them. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more art-related content.